Being a leading land surveyor in Chandigarh, scondesignindia Private Ltd also understands the importance of adhering to local regulations and guidelines. They are well versed in the legal aspects of land surveying and ensure that their surveys comply with all relevant laws and regulations. This gives clients peace of mind knowing that their projects are in compliance with local authorities. In conclusion, if you are in need of a professional land surveyor in Chandigarh, scondesignindia Private Ltd is the company to choose. With their experienced team, advanced equipment, and commitment to quality, they can provide accurate and reliable land surveys for various purposes. Whether it's for residential, commercial, or industrial properties, scondesignindia Private Ltd has the expertise to meet your surveying needs. Contact them today to discuss your requirements and get a quote for their services. Their team works closely with clients to understand their specific requirements and deliver tailored solutions that meet their needs. scondesignindia Private Ltd has established a strong reputation for delivering high-quality land surveying services in Bhubaneswar. Their commitment to excellence has earned them the trust of numerous clients, including government agencies, real estate developers, and construction companies. They have successfully completed a wide range of projects, from small residential surveys to large-scale commercial developments. In conclusion, if you are looking for a government land surveyor in Bhubaneswar, scondesignindia Private Ltd is the name you can trust. With their experience, expertise, and dedication to quality, they are well equipped to handle all your land surveying needs. Contact them today to discuss your project requirements and receive a reliable and accurate surveying solution.